Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Bitcoin faces a weekly decline as the White House confirms Trump's tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China set to begin Saturday. Nvidia CEO is reportedly meeting with Trump at the White House today, while RTX announces a 63-cent dividend. Goldman Sachs downgrades Occidental Petroleum to sell due to a pause in capital return focus. Walgreens sees partial recovery amid Sycamore deal talks, and Canadian crude is expected to reach U.S. refiners at a wider discount due to tariffs, according to Phillips 66. Meanwhile, 17 out of 18 financial stocks surpass earnings expectations in our earnings scorecard segment. Stay tuned after this short ad break for an in-depth look at these stories and more. Bitcoin is anticipated to decrease by 1.5% from last week due to President Donald Trump's tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China taking effect Saturday. The cryptocurrency has reached multi-day lows amid these trade tensions.
The White House announced that President Donald Trump's proposed tariffs will take effect on Saturday, including a 25% tariff on Canada and Mexico, and a 10% tariff on China.
Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang is meeting with U.S. President Donald Trump today, according to Bloomberg. This comes after talks about the Trump administration possibly adding more restrictions on Nvidia's exports.
RTX Corporation announced a quarterly dividend of 63 cents per share, maintaining its previous rate. The forward yield is 1.95%. Payments will be made on March 20th to shareholders recorded by February 21st, which is also the ex-dividend date. RTX shares rose after surpassing earnings expectations.
Occidental Petroleum shares fell by 4.2% on Friday, reaching a monthly low. This drop followed Goldman Sachs downgrading the stock from neutral to sell. The investment bank also lowered its price target to $45 from $54, citing Occidental's paused focus on returning capital to shareholders.
Walgreens Boots Alliance shares fell by 6.4% but saw a slight recovery after reports emerged that private equity firm Sycamore Partners is in talks with other companies to secure debt financing for a potential takeover.
Phillips 66 shares fell by 2.4% after announcing a smaller-than-expected adjusted loss for the fourth quarter. The renewable fuels division became profitable, but refining margins decreased. Realized margins dropped to $6.08 per barrel from $8.31 in the third quarter.
This week, 18 companies from the Standard & Poor's 500 financial sector reported quarterly earnings. The Financial Select Sector SPDR Fund advanced 6.6% in the fourth quarter, surpassing the S&P 500's 2.5% increase. Quarter to date, it rose by 7.2%, outperforming the S&P's 3.2% gain.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates in the business world. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.